Hi guys, it's Hayley, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a beauty box unboxing for you, and we have the August RoccaBox. So this is it. It comes in this beautiful pink box. It has all the social network details all here, and then on this side we have a quote: lipstick can't solve your problems, but it's a good place to start. Very, very true. So that is RoccaBox. So a little bit about RoccaBox. RoccaBox is a UK only subscription box. You will normally receive between 5 and 7 beauty, skincare, hair care items within this box. In August's box we have 6 beauty items. Now there are 4 ways in which you can purchase this box. You can do a £10 a month monthly roll in roll out subscription, which is no contract involved. You can pick and choose your months you have it, or you can cancel at any time. That will cost £10 a month and £3.95 postage. You can also do a 3-month subscription, which is £30 and £3.95 postage. A 6-month subscription is £57 and £3.95 postage, and a 12-month subscription is £108 with £3.95 postage. So a lot of options there to what you can afford and to how much you want to get from RoccaBox. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So when you open the box, this is how it looks inside. So you've got a quote at the top here which says, "Good things come to those who take their makeup off before bed." Big ethos of mine: get your makeup off, get your skin clean before you go to sleep. So you will receive some leaflets. So you get a little card just telling us what products are in the box and a little bit more information about them. We always get one of these virgin wine vouchers, which I never really use, but the code is here in case anybody does want to use that code. And this is the virgin wines voucher. And then obviously here are the items for this month. So let's have a proper delve into this and see what we've got. I haven't seen any spoilers of this either, so I don't really know what's in here. So let's have a little look at this card. So firstly it says, "Hi Rocca Babes, this month we are bringing out your inner mermaid with our under the sea themed edit. We have all the beauty treasures packed into this little pink box, including a waterproof mascara, a mask straight from the sea and shimmers that even a mermaid herself would be envious of. As always, hope you love this as much as we do. Love, Tia." And she's from the RoccaBox team. So firstly we have a drink. So this is the Bumblezest Ginger CBD Tumeric, splash of lemon, cinnamon, drop of maple, sparkling water. It's vegan and only 20 calories, and it has 10 milligrams of CBD. And that is this one. Now I'm going to try this for you on camera, but I haven't got a clue what this is going to taste like. It's actually quite cool. It's not warm, so let's have a little look. Oh, definitely a lot of ginger in there. I don't mind ginger. I like ginger ale and things like that, and I like a lot of ginger in food and things. But it's a turmeric. I don't think I'm gonna like. Let me give this a little whirl for you and see. I'll give my honest opinion. It's different. It's not as strong as like a ginger beer, or you can't. No, actually that's not too bad. That's not terrible. Let's have a little look at the card and see if it tells us it's got any great health benefits, so that I might be able to stand it a little bit more if I know it's good for me. So it says, "Sounds funky, but we like funky, right? The ginger CBD turmeric sparkling water, not quite the Caribbean Sea, but it's close, is full of goodness, all in one convenient can, both refreshing and relaxing all in one." So it doesn't really say an awful lot about it. But yeah, I can tolerate that. That's not terrible. some sparkling waters, when you've got flavours in them, can be quite artificial tasting, but that's fine. I can drink that. So give that a go if you get this box. So next we have a incredible You Glow Girl Blue Shimmer Pigment, and it comes in this little bag. I'm just going to have a little look at this one. Open it up. So you can get two colours of these. You can either get I've Got Your Attention or Ready to Be Famous, and I got the Have I Got Your Attention pigment. So open this up and see what this is like. So I've got like this is like a purple shimmer. Oh, tipping it out everywhere. I have a very shimmery filming desk. So just have a little look at this and see if I can swatch it at all for you. Oh no, it's not purple, it's a greeny gold colour. Hopefully you can see that. Yeah, it's got little reflex. It has got reflexive, so it's quite a nice one. Every time you move it, you do get little coloured reflex to it. It's got a bit of green in there, a bit of gold, a bit of purple. So that's really nice. It's quite subtle, and I really like a really bright beaming pigment. But I do have a friend that's daughter is young and enjoys all this sort of stuff, so I put all these little things aside for her in a little box, and when I've got a little box available I will give them over to her, so that will be going in there. But that's just because I love a strong pigment. So for everybody else, for anyone who likes a bit more subtle, that is brilliant. And it's really nice, incredible. Yeah, brilliant. So that's that one. So let's have a little look what it says. So it says, a multitasking shimmery makeup product, could you want anything more? These powerful pots of pigment are packed full of glow dust. We know festivals might not be on the cards this year, but that doesn't mean you can't add a little shimmer to your day. This product can be easily used on your eyes, lips or cheekbones, or all three. This really will become your partner in shine. So that's great. Yeah, I like that. It's a full-size product as well. So my friend's daughter will be getting that, and I think she'll be very, very happy with it. So the next item is the Dr. Botanicals Seaweed Bio Repair Treatment Mask. And this is it here. So let's just get it out and see what it looks like. Oh, so it looks very bougie. So this is what it looks like. We get 50 ml of product in here. Let's have a little look what it looks like inside. So it's got a little stopper. Like that. Oh, that'll be a bit thicker than that. And it's a cream consistency. I don't know why, but I think I expected it to be green, probably because it's seaweed treatment mask, so I think I automatically assumed it would be green. So just have a little look. So it is quite sticky. It's like a mask consistency, but it's more like a thin mask. It's not going to be a thick mask. But sometimes they're the nicest thing to get off. You can get these off a little bit easier than them really, really thick masks. But yeah, for some reason I thought it was going to be green, but it's just a white cream. Just a very, very subtle, clean smell about it. Nothing too spectacular about the smell or the scent. But that's good, because it just means it's not packed full of artificial scents and artificial fragrances. So that's not always a bad thing to have. So that is that. That is the Dr. Botanicals Repair Mask. Let's have a little look what it says about this one. So this one is a full-size item, and it says, there's nothing quite as lovely as your skin feeling nourished and healthy, and even mermaids need a pamper. This seaweed treat is enriched with Japanese wakame seaweed and shea butter to help hydrate your skin. leaving it smooth and supple after use. It also smells amazing and it isn't tested on animals. Always a bonus in my eyes. Apply to dry skin and wash off after 10 minutes or leave overnight. So that would normally cost £44, so that is absolutely brilliant. So I will be trying that. I probably wouldn't use it, if I'm being honest, I probably wouldn't use it as an overnight mask. I've said before, I just don't like leaving things on my skin overnight. It probably would do my skin good, but I just don't like the feeling of it. So I will put it on, have a chill out, watch some YouTube or something, and then rinse it off and go to bed. So that is the next item. So then three items left. So then we have the Monuskin Soothing Hawaii Facial Oil, and in sandalwood and lavender for all skin types. So this one is that. You get 30 mils in here. So let's have a try of this. I don't know where I'm going to put it because I've got lots of swatches. Have a little look. Yeah, so it's just a normal oil, skin oil. I'm not going to lie, I'm a little bit scared about oils on my skin. I have used them before, but I don't think I like the feeling of them. It does make my makeup sit beautifully on my skin. That is a given. They do always make my makeup look great and make my skin look glowy. But I don't really like that kind of feeling on your skin of residue of the oil. I know that so many of my friends really love facial oils, but I'm just not, I'm a huge fan of them myself. But maybe I'll try this one and see what this is like, and give it a go. It doesn't seem too slippy and it is soaking into the skin quite nice, so we'll give this a little go and see how I feel about it. So there's that one. So let's have a little look at what it says about that. So it's the Monuskin Soothing Hawaii Facial Oil. This really is as good as it sounds. It is suitable for all skin types and is a gentle oil which provides treatment to relax and comfort the skin. It is a combination of hydrating sandalwood, soothing lavender essential oils and grapeseed oil to balance and regenerate the complexion. To apply, just add a small amount to skin after cleansing and massage in gentle upward movements. So that is supposed to be £23.95 and it is a full size product. So I will give that a go. I haven't used an oil for a while. So yeah, let's try that and see what it's like. So the next item we have is huge. This is the Game Changer Mascara by SportFX, and it's waterproof mascara and miracle remover. Okay, so this looks different. So this says it has 24-hour staying power, it is cruelty free, and it is ophthalmology tested, paraben free, high endurance, sweat proof and waterproof. Now, if you've watched any previous videos that I've had mascaras in, you'll know I'm not the biggest fan of waterproof mascara. I find it dries your lashes out terribly and is so difficult to get out. I feel like I try my hardest to get it off and I always wake up with panda eyes the next morning. So let's have a look what this one is. Oh, it's dead cool. The tube looks like it's got splattering of water on it. I don't know if you can see that at all. It just looks like splatters of water all over it, which is really nice actually. So let's have a look on this side. So this is your mascara. Oh, that's quite small. I thought it was going to be bigger than that for some reason. So this is your wand. And obviously it's just a black mascara. So that is on that end. And then on this end, we have the remover. So this is really interesting. Let's have a little bit of a read about it, because obviously I've never had a mascara remover before. So how to remove: simply brush the remover wand over your lashes to coat them in the miracle remover. Leave the remover on for 20 seconds, then gently sweep away with a wet cloth or makeup wipe and watch the miracle Remover Dissolve Every Lash Trace of Waterproof Mascara. Wow. So everything that I said I've hated about waterproof mascara might have just been answered. So I'm going to give this a go. Obviously, because I work as a nurse full time, and I do wear makeup at work, my mascara just transfers all the time. So I'm really looking forward to trying this now. With it being waterproof as well, they don't tend to transfer as much. And if I know I can get it off at the end of the day, let's wait and see if this works. Yeah. It says, designed for women on the go, our game-changing mascara will transform your lashes. The no budge, no smudge formula will lift and lengthen, while the infused mango seed butter leaves your lashes soft and revitalized. This tried and tested mascara is marathon proof, making it the perfect gym buddy. The high endurance waterproof formula will withstand any activity. That sounds amazing. Happy to give this a go. Probably going to go on my eyeballs tomorrow, and we'll see what it's like. So that is the SportFX Game Changing Mascara. Wow. So the next one is the Made Beauty, the Incredible Pore Strip with Charcoal, removes blackheads, and you get 2 strips. So let's have a little look at what this one says then. So this again is a full-size item. So in this box we get 1, 2, 3, 4, we get 5 full-size items. Oh, 6. So all 6 items are full-size products, which is absolutely fantastic. The actual overall value of this box is over £90 as well. So for your £13.95 that you pay for it, absolute steal. Absolute no-brainer. It is still available on the website as well, so if I link the website down below, you can go on there if you fancy getting this box. So it's the Made Beauty Pore Strips. Whether we like it or not, unless you're a magical unicorn who has perfect skin 24/7. Now, I fancy myself as a magical unicorn, but I can't exactly say that I've got perfect skin 24/7. So prone to the occasional blackhead, Made Beauty's Pore Strips will gently cleanse the nose of all impurities and leave you ready for your next step of pampering. Sounds like a pore strip to me. So I don't suffer with blackheads. I never have done. And I definitely know someone who does though. Jamie does, so Jamie will be getting this and he will be giving it a go and seeing what it's like. He does have his own skin routine, so yeah, I think he'll enjoy adding that into his skin routine. So let me just get the products up for you so you can have a little look at what we get this month. So these are the products. We get the Loose Shimmer, we get the Dr. Botanicals Seaweed Bio Repair Mask, we get the Pore Strips, we get the facial oil, and we've got this fab mascara that I can't wait to give a go. And also don't forget we've got the ginger CBD and turmeric water there. So if you do like what you see, head down to my description and I'll link RoccaBox's website down there. And that is it for RoccaBox for August. So thank you so much for watching my channel. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up for me. Always helps me out. And just makes me know that you are enjoying my videos and that I'm doing a good job. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be notified of any future uploads. But until my next video, I am going to love you and leave you, and you all take care. Mwah.